Hi, my name is ADITYA and in this video I will show you how to add a new local user to your Windows system. So let's roll the intro and then get started. Alright, to add a new user in your Windows 10, simply go to settings. You can simply type settings. And yes, here you will see a setting called accounts. Click on this. And under here, click on family and other users. You will see a plus button here saying add someone else to this PC. So yes, click on this and now it will ask you for the email or phone number, but right now I just want to add a local user, so I will click on this. I don't have this person's sign in information. And now Microsoft asks you to create an account, but again I want to add a local user, so I will click on add a user without Microsoft account. Alright, give this local account a name. Let's give it educators and type a super rememberable and secure password. Re-enter your password here. Let's quickly fill up these security questions. For demonstration purpose, I have answered all answers as educators, but you will fill the actual one. Click on next. Alright, you can see here a new local account is added. Also, if you want to make this account an administrator account, you can click on change account type, and under this drop down select which type of user you want to make it, a standard user which is a default or an administrator. Click OK. Now educators is the administrator and local account. So yes, now you can switch your user here, and on first login to this account, Windows will walk you through some basic settings and you will land to your newly created account. So yeah, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and do subscribe to Educators.